Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a tutorial, you'll get a notification. So in this tutorial, we're going to make these beautiful flowers to decorate a headband, a skirt, a dress, or even a sweater for baby girl. So let's get started. So we need some ribbons, of course. We need a darning needle. We need a crochet hook and a pair of scissors. Yeah, so to start, we're going to make a magic ring, then chain one. Chain one and make 10 single crochet in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So once you have 10 single crochets, pull this tail so that you can close the space at the center. And then we're going to join this round to the first single crochet with a slip stitch. So insert your hook in the first single crochet, make a slip stitch, chain 3, skip this first stitch, and in the next grab yarn, make an incomplete double crochet. So you'll have 2 loops on your hook, grab yarn, go back into the same space, make an incomplete double crochet. You have 3 loops on your hook, grab yarn, go back into the same space, make an incomplete double crochet. We have 4 loops on our hook, grab yarn and pull through all. Chain 3, go into the next stitch, make a slip stitch, chain 3, go into the next stitch and repeat exactly what you've done in this stitch here. An incomplete double crochet, grab yarn, go into the same space, make a second incomplete double crochet, grab yarn, go back, make a third an incomplete double crochet. So once you have 4 loops on your hook, grab yarn, pull through all, then chain 3, go into the next stitch and make a slip stitch, chain 3, go into the next stitch and repeat making these petals until you have 5 petals in total. So I'll make the third one, so doing the last petal, I have 4 loops. Grab yarn, pull through all, then chain 3. Now we are going to slip stitch in the first stitch. So I'll insert my hook in the very first stitch. Remember, this is the slip stitch for the previous round, so skip this and go into the first stitch to make a slip stitch. Then we are going to chain 1, tighten and cut your yarn. Okay, so using the yarn needle, you're going to hide these tails. Now next step, grab your ribbon. You're going to make this flower. These are rose flower, and I'm going to use the needle, so leave behind a little longer tail and just do exactly what I'm doing in the video. Grab your pair of scissors and make a sharp point, a tip at the back. Then you're going to insert this tip, the hole, and twist your needle like this so that it passes through the ribbon to this point. Right, so once you have that, you can see up to that point, then grab your jungle green ribbon, fold it once, and at the middle you're going to attach it to the rose flower like that. Okay, then grab your white flower and attach it at the center like that. Okay, then I'll get back to the front side to make sure it's well secured. Then take it back side. If you have a glue gun, you can use it, or glue stickers. Alright, so once you have that, now you can trim it. Like that. Use your lighter. Yeah, and there we go. We have our flowers ready for decorating our skirt. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial up to this point. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, share, and leave a nice comment in the comment section. Until next one, bye.